everyone. Oh, Marty, come on, let's go, Mart. Mart, are you nuts? All right, now that I've saved Marty, come on, I got your food too.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Right now it's perfect out here.
Yeah, it feels really nice. Yeah, your flower is like wow.
Wow. Wow is right.
That's what I call a pint-sized beauty right there.
Yep. I'm gonna go get you paper.
Yes, ma'am. I got coffee waiting for me.
When we slept in, that felt really nice.
Yeah, no 5 a.m. this morning.
Woo! Don cheated yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
Every time everybody else had to go to the bathroom at the outlet mall, they had to walk to Timbuktu. Don, he just hopped on the unicycle and went.
Yeah, that's a pretty serious little walk. I mean, you know.
Yeah.
But, you know, it's like a 2-minute ride on the unicycle.
The Wigelia over here is getting close to blooming. It's going to look really pretty in a few more days. See it here in the sun a little bit around the butterfly bush. Hey, Mr. Man. Yeah, Stripe followed me over there. I know. Did I touch him? Well, Don said he wasn't going to mess with Jules. I'm editing. Don's cooking. Yum.
I'm back.
You are?
I'm going to read my paper, and I'm going to drink my coffee. That's what I'm doing today.
And I'm going to do edit for a while this morning before we go walk, so you've got some time.
Yeah, well, if I was smart, I'd get the car out and wash it right now, but I don't know. I don't quite feel up to doing that right this second, because it's going to be warm this afternoon.
Yeah, Jules has a lot of bugs.
Bug guts.
And some car was spewing some stuff on the road, an ambulance actually. We couldn't tell if it was water or what it was.
Yeah.
But it kind of left a residue on the windshield, so that's got to come off.
It didn't have an odor, so it wasn't diesel fuel or anything like
Yeah,
that.
but they pulled over. They were spewing stuff out behind the ambulance pretty seriously.
Yeah, I agree.
You changed your mind? You just couldn't leave your car dirty, even for newspaper and coffee on a Sunday morning.
That's right. Even for newspaper and coffee on a Sunday morning.
Okay.
I'm going to blast her off real quick. I don't know.
Well, you know, some of them bug guts probably got to, you know, sit, rehydrate. I mean, they'll come off easier if you get them wet and let it soak up the water.
Well, I did spray that wax on the front of the car before we left. So
Right.
I'm hoping that will
Help.
help.
Yeah, honestly, for a morning, it just doesn't get any nicer than this. Temperature, breeze, humidity, not bad at all. He's working it. I'm headed to get dinner out of the freezer. So Don's going to be a good guy, and he's going to get my tropical plants out from under the house where they've lived all winter, which means he's got to get this stuff out of the way so he can get back behind the hot water heater where the plants are. He kind of wanted off walk duty today. I was all gun-ho ready to walk. It was 80 something, but it was not high humidity today. It didn't feel miserable.
Right.
But he wanted to get quote unquote real work done today instead of just go for a walk. So I let him off the hook. I've been editing, and we had us a nice nice breakfast Don cooked while I was working. I was in GoPro dash cam.
Bacon.
HE double hockey stick because there was so much footage from yesterday's drive. So just as soon as Friday's video is done, I can delete some stuff and start on Saturday's video. Right. But it's taken me, it's not that I'm not behind. The equipment can't keep up with me. Right. Anyway, we're out here tinkering around. Johnny will be home in a bit. And
yeah, I gotta go get my hard hat.
Yeah, please don't hit your head again. You need all of the brain cells you have. Please don't hit your head.
Well, I don't know. I'm to knock myself senseless.
All right, this is the last one, I think. The Chefalera, which he's already moved, that was the worst.
Well, hopefully this one.
Every year it looks rough. And Chefalera does good. The ficus, not as good. Yay, Donnie! He's getting ruby clean for me. Johnny's home. He's exhausted with exams and has homework to do that he's not done with for tomorrow, so bummer. I gotta go rescue Tux. I hear him crying under the house. Oops. We tried to keep them out, and we try not to shut them in there, and they really, really, really like to play under the house. If the door is open and unattended for even like 5 seconds, they go in. Hey, buddy. Come on. Tuxie, come here, buddy. Meow, meow, meow. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. There you go. Good boy. You don't have anybody else in there with you, do you? I'll count heads and I'll come back and check if I need to.